Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the error starting the output failed. Please check the log for details. So I am getting this error when I try to click on start recording in OBS Studio. I will be showing you two ways to solve this issue, so let's get started. First thing is, just go to your OBS Studio and here in settings option you will be having this output. Click that and go to recording, and under recording make sure that you are in advanced, and here you will be having the video encoder as NVIDIA or some other value. Alright, you need to change this to X264. If you don't have this value, you will be having another value called as software over here. So basically you need to select this and click on apply and OK. So this will solve the issue. And the another way how you can solve this issue is, basically the error is caused because we haven't updated our video drivers. So make sure that you are updating your graphics card. So in my case, I upgraded my graphics card driver and it solved my issue. So basically you just need to download the latest graphic card driver of NVIDIA or any other brand you have. That also solves the issue. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.